Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some exciting developments in the world of photography, particularly for Canon fans eagerly awaiting the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Fresh leaks have surfaced, sparking speculation about what could be Canon's next flagship APS-C mirrorless camera. While the exact model name wasn't mentioned in the leaks, the rumored specs strongly align with expectations for the R7 Mark II, hinting at a significant upgrade over its predecessor. Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Expected features and upgrades. The latest leak, originating from Camera Beta Weebio, suggests Canon is gearing up to launch a high-performance APS-C camera with cutting-edge specifications. According to the leaks, this new camera could feature a 24.1 MP stacked CMOS sensor, designed for speed and improved low-light performance, dual Digic X processors with a Digic accelerator, enhancing image processing speeds and dynamic range, 6K RAW video recording, a significant jump in resolution for professional-grade video work, 120 FPS 4K video support. This makes it ideal for slow-motion footage and high-resolution content creation, 30 FPS continuous shooting, perfect for action, sports, and wildlife photography, C-Log 2 and C-Log 3 support, offering better color grading and post-production flexibility. Full-size HDMI port, essential for professional external monitoring and recording. Enhanced autofocus with AI-based tracking, providing subject detection for people, animals, and moving objects. Weather-sealed body with ergonomic improvements, designed for durability and ease of use in challenging conditions. The rumored price point is around $1,500, making it an attractive option for photographers and videographers looking for high-end APS-C performance without stepping into the full-frame category. Addressing the controversy, 24.1 MP versus 33.2 MP resolution. One of the most surprising aspects of this leak is the 24.1 MP sensor, which is lower than the 33.2 MP sensor found in the original Canon R7. This has sparked debate among photographers who wonder if Canon would downgrade its resolution in a next-generation model. Given that rival brands like Sony a6700, Fujifilm X-T5, and Nikon Z52 are pushing for higher megapixel counts, it seems more likely that Canon will opt for at least a 32.3 MP stacked CMOS sensor to stay competitive. The use of a stacked sensor, however, suggests that Canon is focusing more on speed, low rolling shutter performance, and enhanced video capabilities, which could make this camera a powerhouse for hybrid shooters who need both high-quality stills and advanced video performance. Who is the Canon EOS R7 Mark II for? This camera is shaping up to be a game-changer for sports, wildlife, and action photographers due to its high-speed continuous shooting and advanced autofocus system. The inclusion of C-Log 2 and C-Log 3 also signals that Canon is targeting video professionals who need greater dynamic range and color flexibility in post-production. While these leaks give us an exciting preview, it's important to take them with a grain of salt. Until Canon officially announces the R7 Mark II, all we can do is speculate on the final specifications and features. However, if these leaks are accurate, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could easily become one of the most compelling APS-C mirrorless cameras in 2025. Final thoughts. Both the Canon EOS R7 Mark II and Fujifilm X-E5 are shaping up to be powerful mirrorless cameras catering to different audiences. The Canon R7 Mark II seems geared toward high-speed shooters and videographers, while the Fujifilm X-E5 offers a premium compact option for travel, street, and hybrid photography. Which of these cameras excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates on upcoming cameras, photography gear, and tech news. See you in the next video.